Unleashing Your Full Potential, a guide to achieving greatness. Have you ever found yourself staring at the night sky, wondering if this regular life was what you were made to live, or you are capable of achieving something truly extraordinary? Do not worry, you are not alone. We have all been there. Living a life filled with obligations, distractions, and self-doubt, we often feel dissatisfied with our life and wish we could do something great. The longing for more, the feeling that you are meant for something greater, it is something we all experience. So join us as we embark on a journey that will transform your life and help you reach your final goal, to be the greater version of yourself. Grab your pen and notebook and start taking notes, because this is going to be one hella eye-opening journey. But before you start your journey towards greatness, you will need to figure out your own idea of greatness. What does greatness mean to you? Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all definition of greatness. It is different for everyone. For you, it might be becoming a renowned chef. For someone else, it might be excelling in their career. And someone, it just might be being happy and content. So, take a moment and analyze your own version of greatness. Need help? Our first tip is there to clear your confusion. Find your passion. The first step on the road to greatness is figuring out what you are passionate about. What makes your heart race with excitement? What makes you lose track of time? It could be a hobby, a career, or a cause you are deeply passionate about. Passion is like the fuel that propels your dreams forward. When you are passionate about something, you will go the extra mile, put in the late night hours, and keep pushing forward even when things get tough. So how do you find your passion? Well, it is not something that will just drop in your lap out of nowhere. Finding your passion is more like a treasure hunt. Do not be afraid to try new things, explore and experiment, because you never know when and what will make you realize that yes, this is what I was meant to do. Keep a journal. Write down your goals and dreams. This will help you stay focused and track your progress along the way. Jot down your goals. Once you have discovered your passion, it is time to set some clear goals. Think of these as your roadmap to greatness. Remember, never aim for big goals at the beginning of your journey. Instead, break your dreams into smaller, achievable tasks. The smaller your goals are, the easier they are to achieve. But limit yourself to set only 3 but smart goals at a time. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals would be much more manageable and less overwhelming. And whenever you achieve a goal, do not forget to celebrate. Big or small, every step counts. But do not get sidetracked by easy fixes and immediate satisfaction, as this is just the starting, and you are nowhere you should be. Embrace learning. Greatness is all about growth. To achieve it, you need to embrace learning. Whether you are a novice or an expert, there is always room for improvement. Remember, nobody becomes great overnight, so embrace every opportunity to learn and adapt. Read books, take courses, watch tutorials, and learn from others in your field. Stay curious and open-minded. Find every possible source to add in your knowledge. Do not shy away from asking for help. It is okay to ask about what you do not know. If you hesitate now, you will never move forward in life. Learning is a continuous process, and it will help you refine or sharpen your skills and gather knowledge. Hard work and persistence. Hard work and persistence is the secret sauce to greatness. Your dreams are like a treasure chest buried deep, and to get there, you will need to dig through some tough ground. You have got to hustle, grind, and put in the work. Those late nights, early mornings, and countless hours of dedication, they all will pay off one day, and you will see it. Set aside time each day or week to practice and refine your skills. The more you practice, the better you become. Remember, even the most accomplished individuals started as beginners. Greatness is often achieved by those who persevere through tough times. Even if you look at the journey of most successful people today, their stories often have chapters filled with challenges and setbacks. You will also face setbacks, but it is how you bounce back that defines your journey. Keep pushing forward, and you will get closer to your dreams. Consider failure as a friend. Failing is not the end. It is just the beginning. Everyone messes up. Greatness is about turning your failures into funny stories that you laugh about in future. Do not consider failure as an enemy. Instead, think of it as a friend. Each failure you face on your journey towards greatness teaches you valuable lessons. So embrace failure, learn from your mishaps, and keep pushing forward. Greatness is not about never falling. It is about getting back up, wiser and stronger. Remember, some of the world's greatest achievements were born from failure. Always stay positive. Staying positive is the attitude that can transform obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones. When you face challenges, a positive mindset helps you bounce back faster. You see difficulties as temporary pit stops rather than roadblocks. A positive attitude can help you stay motivated and committed to your goals, even when the going gets tough. Plus, when you are positive, you attract more opportunities than usual. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate optimism and enthusiasm. This can lead to valuable connections, collaborations, and opportunities that propel you towards greatness. With a positive mindset, instead of dwelling on problems, you will seek solutions and overcome obstacles with grace and resilience. Stay organized all the time. This does not mean you need to color coordinate your socks, but what we mean is that you should have a clutter-free workspace. Make a to-do list so you know what you have to do on a specific day. You can also plan your week in advance, but remember to leave a place for a sudden activity. This way you will do everything planned, but also have an empty place for an activity that needs your urgent attention. Your surroundings reflect your mind, and a cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. So keep everything organized to avoid distractions. Remember, an organized life equals a focused mind. Stand up for your beliefs. Do not shy away from standing up for what you believe in. No matter how tempting an opportunity might be, never compromise your principles, and do not sell yourself short. Do not be afraid to voice your opinions. It is okay to have different ideas. That is what makes you unique. When you are authentic, you radiate self-confidence. Standing up for your beliefs is like planting a flag in the ground, saying, "This is who I am." When you know who you are, what you stand for, people will be naturally drawn to you, because opposites always attract. Cultivate a mindset of a champion. To achieve greatness, you have got to think like a champion. A champion's mindset is all about the way winners think and act. It is the belief that challenges are opportunities, failures are stepping stones, and success is not a destination but a journey. Champions always stay positive, hungry, and focused on their goals. They do not give up when things get tough. They get tougher. And this mindset will lead you to greatness because it cultivates resilience, determination, and an unwavering belief in your ability to achieve extraordinary things. Remember, you have got this. Discover your biological clock. Just to make it clear, a biological clock is not the usual alarm clock you use to wake up in the morning. Your biological clock is your hidden superpower. Discovering your biological clock is like finding what time your body is most active. Start by paying attention to when you feel most energetic and focused during the day. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Once you know your prime time, tackle your most challenging tasks during that time. When you sync your activities with your biological clock, you unlock a whole new level of productivity, creativity, and efficiency that propels you towards your goals. Build a winning team. On a journey towards greatness, you are never alone. Surround yourself with people who believe in your dreams. Build a supportive network of friends, family, mentors, and like-minded individuals. Share your journey with them, celebrate your achievements together, and lean on them during tough times. Having a support system makes the journey to greatness less lonely and more enjoyable. Because teamwork makes the dream work, right? Turn adversity into advantage. When life throws curveballs our way, It is a choice point. We can play the victim, surrendering our power, or we can turn those challenges into stepping stones. Turn adversity into an advantage by learning from your mistakes and growing stronger with each setback. Everyone faces setbacks in their life, and if you just cry in the tough times, you will be stuck here forever while others excel in life. So when life hands you lemons, make some good lemonade with them. Give back what you learned, but twofold. Greatness is not just about personal success. It is about making a positive impact on others and the world around you. True greatness lies in helping others. Contribute to your community, support causes you are passionate about, or mentor someone who is on a similar path as you once were. I've back what this universe has given you. Making a positive impact is an essential part of the greatness journey. Do not let the success get into your head. It is said, power shows the true face of a person, and people often take a complete U-turn when they reach a higher position. If you want to achieve greatness, remember to stay humble. Never show off your success, knowledge, and skills. Nobody likes a know-it-all or someone who brags about their accomplishments. Always be open to feedback, admit your mistakes, and be grateful for the opportunities that come your way. Humility not only earns you a respectful place among others, but also keeps you grounded. Greatness is not about being perfect. It is about being the best version of yourself. Your path to greatness is as unique as you are. So cherish every step, savor every moment, and never stop believing in yourself. This was all for today. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, tackle those dreams, and show the world what you are made of. You are on your way to greatness.